Would you like to live in a single-story home inside of a gated community that has a private parking community pool, and it's also located minutes away from an elementary school and shops and dining? Well, if you do, then you're in luck. Today, we're going to be touring a single-story home inside of a beautiful gated community called Rose Ridge in Seven Hills, located in Henderson, Nevada. Beautiful home. We're in Seven Hills, located in Henderson, Nevada. Got a fully upgraded kitchen, granite countertops. The flooring is really nice too. Here's the backyard. We got a cobblestone, looks like. Yeah, looks like they have a dog run over here too.
I got you. The build.
Yeah, it's for the dog, little man. No, they did a lot of work to the home. It looks great. I like the cord lighting. Looks like they probably had a bar here. And the light fixtures are in all the rooms. Ceiling fans. This is the master. Automatic lights. Shower.
In the bath.
Oh, these tubs.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah,
Pretty cool jacuzzi tub. If that's your thing. Big closet. Not big enough that I would be able to have anything in here. But really like the cabinetry. The flooring looks like they kept it consistent throughout the whole house. This backsplash over here underneath the cabinets is really nice. Stainless steel appliances minus the refrigerator. The oven, microwave. Such a beautiful color. Formal dining room. Bathroom, interesting, and a restroom scene. Little closet in there. This is the bathroom. Another closet. First bedroom.
Maybe my playroom.
Laundry room with the same upgraded cabinets. Little sink. Yeah.
Just do about the house.
The lights turn off automatically. This is 1, 2, 3 bedroom.
Doors.
Nice shutters. Graham, be careful. Really beautiful home. It's built in 2017 by Lennar.
That's better about it.
I'll turn off the light in the laundry room. Oh, let's see what kind of water heater there is. So we have water softener, water heater. Oh, that's nice. That's very convenient. Oh, look at the kitchen. Let's see. Brand new interior paint. Graham, please be quiet. Upgraded plank, ceramic tile flooring, designer fans and light fixtures, windows, blinds, shutters, separate laundry room. Oh, there's solar too. Fully paid. Or solar's paid in full. Yeah, absolutely beautiful home built in 2017 by Lennar. All right, Graham, let's go, buddy. And that concludes our property tour of this subdivision in Henderson, Nevada. If you like what you've seen today, please DM me. I'd love to set up a private showing for you. Also, if you're interested in seeing any other areas around the Las Vegas Valley, please reach out to me. I'd love to take you there next week. Thanks so much. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.
Pew, pew, pew.